Date is October 14th, 2023, and Benito, and he brought his helper here, Betty. So Benito and Betty are helping me get this done. So we're working on the second support that we're putting in. So in order, because the hillside's so steep, in order to get the cement down to the to our sonotube, we took a 12-inch sonotube and lined it with a trash bag and all of that. So we're going to mix the cement up here and use the trash bags as a chute. So I'm going to go down below and have a little more detail on that. The completed one that we've got done here, and this is the cement chute, and Benito is just putting the finishing touches on the post. So we're getting real close to start mixing cement. So this is kind of an exciting moment, because it's already after 12 and we can only work till 3. So we're going to have this done here shortly. We got to mix up 10 bags, which is about 600 pounds, something like that. Maybe even 11 bags, because we want to pour it around the outside of that as well. So until the next update.
for the girl.
So this is where we're at. We're cleaning up right now. You can see we got a mess here, but Nina's going to get this all cleaned up. There's our chute, and I'm telling you, that's the best solution to our 70-degree hillside. So I'm going to take a little walk down there. Just a second. I'm going to turn this off. 3:30, maybe 4 o'clock today. And as you can see, we've got it all cleaned up, and it's pretty darn solid. So I got the fence back up, and I'm going to go over and see how it looks from down below. Approach the work. So far, I might make another barrier like this one right here in front of this, because what happens is when it rains, it erodes around the foundation and then gets it all messed up. So what I got now is I've got the farm jack holding that up, so until that hardens, I'll leave it there for a few days, and we're done. This will get me through the next winter.